Welcome. If you've ever set a password on your Telegram account and now want to remove it, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to disable your Telegram password and make sign-ins faster and simpler. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the official Telegram app installed from your device's app store. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. Tap your profile picture if you see it there. Or tap the 3 lines icon. It looks like 3 small bars stacked on top of each other. This will open up the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all your privacy preferences, from who can see your online status to how your account is protected. Now scroll a bit until you find the option called Two-Step Verification. Tap on it. This is where you've previously set up your password for extra protection. To remove it, Telegram will ask you to enter your current password first. Type it in carefully. Once you've entered your password, look for the option that says Disable Password. Tap it. Telegram may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm. That's it. Your password protection has now been turned off. From this point forward, you won't need to enter a password when signing into Telegram on new devices. Remember, removing your password also removes an extra layer of security, so only do this if you're sure it's the right choice for your situation. If you ever change your mind later, you can go back to the same 2-step verification menu and set up a new password at any time. And that's the entire process of removing your Telegram password. Quick and easy. Don't forget to subscribe for more updated tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. 4.